90 minus 20, and what's that gonna give you? 180 minus 90 minus 20.
70.
70? Okay, number 3 is where we start having to write it out, okay? And we can really just combine. So if we combine the x's, how many x's are there? 1, so it's gonna be 1x, or just x, plus 82 plus 40 plus 65. What is 82 plus 40 plus 65?
187.
187 equals 180. Okay, and then what needs done? Minus 187 on both sides. So we're gonna get x equals -7. Okay, do we plug back in on this one?
No,
No, why not? How do you know that you don't?
because it's just saying solve for
It
x.
just says solve for x, okay, that's what we did. Okay, so, x equals -7 is our answer, okay, we don't have to plug back in on this one. Andrew, get off your phone. Okay, number 5. We can combine our x's. How many x's do we have total? 6x, okay? And then we can combine all the numbers, so 4 plus 82 plus 58.
$144.
144. Somebody agree?
Yep.
Okay. Equals 180. And then what? Minus 144 on both sides. So we get 6x. What is 180 minus 144?
36.
36?
Then divide by 6.
And then divide by 6. So we get x equals 6. Okay, 7. We can add up all the x's on the inside. Who can get put together? 7 and a 4. Okay, and that's going to give me an 11x. Okay, and then we got 7 minus 1 plus 75. 7 minus 1 plus 75.
99.
99? I don't feel like it's 99, Benny.
What was it again?
Something. I think it's like 82.
Yeah, that's what I put in the calculator. I'm-
7?
I know it don't sound right, but that's what I put in the calculator.
Well, it'll be
Okay.
6.
Oh no, it's
Plus
81. I'm
75,
sure that's my
yeah.
answer. I just heard it.
Okay.
You said the same thing.
Okay, and then what needs done?
Minus.
Minus 81 for both sides.
In that part tonight.
That sounds better. So you get 11x equals 99,
Divide by 11.
and then divide by 11.
X equals 1.
Okay, what do these instructions say?
Solve for x.
So
Solve for A. So which one is A?
4.
4x minus 1. So it's really going to be, this is what you would type on the calculator. 4 parenthesis 9 minus 1.
35.
And 35?
Yeah.
Okay, and so 35 is our actual answer. So in those ones, that's what we did yesterday. You have to plug it back in. probably the lunch detention lady. It is, hey girl, what's your name? Okay, we might as well,
See her every day.
I'm saying,
Is it Landon?
Landon is one today. You're welcome, 'tis the season. I'm gonna start wrapping them and putting them underneath the tree.
Give them more to them.
I'm saying. They can really decorate my tree. Okay, 9 is where we start to get a little bit different. They look a little bit different. Okay, now I'm gonna write in them, but that's just so we can kind of talk about it. Okay, so there are really 2 triangles going on here, right? This is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2, and there's like a gap in between here. Okay, so if you recall, how many degrees is in a triangle?
180.
180. Okay. So when we're picking these, and you can only start with the triangle that has the most in it. So the one that's only missing one like piece of the inside of the triangle. By that I mean, okay, this side is filled out, it has a number. This side is filled out, it has a number. This one does not have a number. So which triangle would that be? Triangle 1 or triangle 2? 1.
1.
Oh, no, you said the one that's.
Yeah,
Oh,
'cause
yeah,
it'll be
right.
one.
Okay, so look at it. Why is it triangle 1?
Because the third angle doesn't.
We don't have the third angle. What are the other 2?
Which,
25 is one of the angles.
and then 93.
93 is another angle. So you always have to start with the triangle that's only missing one number. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna say 180 on your calculator minus 93 minus 25. So the 2 angles on the inside. 62. So a 62 is gonna go here. Okay, and so we kind of are solving towards this question mark. Okay, now from here we can start to solve the other stuff. Okay, now also, okay, and there's 2 types on this page, but also, so now we need to do this one, okay, because we got to work our way over that way. And so see how this makes like a half of a circle? Okay, well that equals 180. So you're going to say 180 again minus 62, which we just found, minus 68. What is it? 50?
Yes.
So if 50 goes here. Now if we're looking at it, triangle 2 has 2 pieces and it's only missing 1. So for triangle 2, we're going to say 180 minus what? 65 and 50. What does that give you for that last one? 65. Okay, and so we found this one at 65. Okay, so you're always going to start with the triangle that's missing only one piece and you're going to work your way towards that triangle. Okay? Because really, are we solving all the other pieces? Which one is your actual answer?
The question
The
mark?
65, the question mark, okay? But you need those other pieces in order to do that, okay? So, look at 11. Which one are we going to start to solve? Triangle 1 or triangle 2? Triangle 1. Why triangle 1?
Because only missing.
It only missing one piece. So we're going to say 180 minus 46 minus 74. 60?
Yeah. So does the.
Hold on. So right here it gets 60. What do you else notice that's by the 60 though?
90.
The 90-degree angle. So that says that this part and this part equal 90. Okay? Well, if you know that part of it is 60 already, then what does this part have to be? 30. Okay? So really it's 90 minus 60. Okay? It's 30 because we need that total to equal 90 degrees. Okay? So that part's 90. Okay? So now we're going to say 180 minus what?
80 minus 30.
80 minus 30. 150? 70?
Yeah.
It is 70. Okay, flip the page, look at number 13. Which triangle am I gonna start with, triangle 1 or triangle 2?
Triangle 2.
Triangle 2, so we're gonna say 180 minus 81 minus 39. Huh?
What?
180 minus 81 minus 39. 60?
Yeah.
Okay, and again, we see the square, so the square tells us what?
That is equal line.
It's 90 degrees, so you're gonna say 90 minus 60
30.
is 30, so this one's gonna be 30. We have a 30 here,
7.
and then how do we do the third, or the last triangle?
180 minus 80 minus 30.
180 minus 80 minus 30, so it's gonna be 70. Okay, do me a favor, on your last one, circle your answer, okay? You're gonna have a lot of numbers in a small space, circle your answer on all these, so that way I know what's your final answer and I don't have to like super search, because if you think I'm gonna, or Elle is gonna, we're not, okay? So if your answer's not circled, I'm not, it's wrong, okay? Okay, look at 15. We got triangle 1 and triangle 2, which one are we gonna start with?
2.
Triangle 2. Okay, so we're gonna say 180 minus 92 minus 43. What is that?
45.
45. Okay, and this is the third and final type of triangle on this paper, okay, because they're all a little bit different. So we've had one with the square, right? What's the square mean?
90.
90 degrees. We've had one where it makes like this half circle,
Yeah.
and they're touching like two mountains. Okay, and then we have this one where they're touching barely at the corners like that. Okay, when they're touching at the corners like that, they're vertical angles, and vertical angles are equal. So if this one is 45, then this one has to be 45. Okay. You're gonna say 180 minus 45 minus 40. 95, somebody agree?
Yeah.
What do you need to do to your answer?
Circle.
Circle it. If you don't circle it, what is it?
Wrong.
It's wrong. I'm not grading it. I promise you. Okay, 17. Are we gonna start with triangle 1 or triangle 2? Triangle 1. So we're gonna say 180 minus 75 minus 38. 67. Okay, so we got 67. Then what do I do?
180 minus 67 minus 73.
180 minus 67 minus 73. So we start to work on that like arch over, okay? So 180 minus this one would give us this one. 40.
40.
Okay, and then what?
180 minus 40 minus 40.
180 minus 40 minus 40?
100.
It's gonna be 100. We got 3 left. Okay, 19. Am I gonna start with triangle 1 or triangle 2? 1, so we're gonna say 180 minus 50 minus 67. One 180 minus 50 minus 67. What is it?
63.
63. Okay, and then we're gonna say 180 minus 63 minus 62. 55. Okay, and then I'm gonna say 180 minus 80 minus 55. 45? Okay, 21. Am I gonna start with triangle 1 or triangle 2?
Triangle 2.
Triangle 2. Okay, so we're gonna start with that bottom one. So we're gonna say 180 minus 20 minus 40. 120. Okay, and then how do I get over to the other triangle?
120.
It's 120. Okay, so again, remember if they're touching at the like a little bitty corner, okay, then they're equal. So if this is 120, then this one is 120. Okay, so we're gonna say 180 minus 120 minus 24. 46?
36.
36? Okay, 23. Am I gonna start with triangle 1 or triangle 2?
Triangle 1.
Triangle 1. Okay, 180 minus 60 minus 25. 95? Okay, and if that one's 95, then this one is 95. Okay, so we got 180 minus 95 minus 36. 49? Okay, you guys got 12 to do on your own. Go through and get your 12 done, and then you'll be done for today.